Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 3rd of our video series in which we are learning the names of different countries in Korean language. In the first 2 parts, we learned the names of various Asian countries in Korean. Now, in this 3rd part, let's begin with learning the names of different European countries. Now, Europe is a continent with many countries, and therefore I decided to break down the country names in 2 parts. So, in the part 3rd and 4th of this series, we are going to learn the names of the European countries in Korean language. Okay, now let's begin. So, first of all, what is Europe called in Korean? Let's see that. So, it is Europe. Europe. Okay, next is the country Finland, and in Korean it is Finland. Finland. Now comes the Korean word for Belgium, and that is België. België. Next, let's see how to say Greece in Korean, and it is very easy. Greece. Greece. Next is the Korean word for Sweden, and that is Sweden. Sweden. Now let's see how to say Germany in Korean, and that is 독일. 독일. Now, unlike many other countries whose names are loan words in Korean language, Germany has a distinct and unique Korean name. Okay, this happens with very few countries that they have a unique name in Korean language. For example, America, Japan, China, Germany, they have a unique Korean name. Otherwise, you'll notice that most of the countries, they are loan words in Korean. Okay, the country names, right? So, Germany has a unique name. Keep this in mind. Next is the word for Albania. That is Albania. Albania. Now let's see how to say Italy in Korean, and it is called Italia. Italia. Next comes the word for Spain, and that is Spain. Spain. Now comes the country Denmark, and it is Denmark. Denmark. Now let's move ahead and see the next one, and that is Turkey. In Korean it is Turkey. Turkey. Next comes the Korean word for Austria, and that is Austria. Austria. Now comes the word for United Kingdom, and it is very commonly used word. Most of you might know this, and in Korean it is 영국. 영국. So again, United Kingdom has a unique Korean name. Okay, we just saw this case with Germany, that is 독일. Now United Kingdom is 영국, and the language of United Kingdom is English. So English in Korean is called 영어. Okay, now comes the next one, and that is France, and in Korean it is 프랑스. 프랑스. Next comes the country Netherlands, and it is called Nederland. Nederland. Next comes Switzerland, and in Korean it is Swiss. Swiss. This is kind of a shortened form for Switzerland. Swiss. So Swiss in Korean is written like this, Swiss. Okay. Next is the word for Ireland, and in Korean it is island. Island. Alright, so in this video we learned the names of different European countries in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.